And emerging from the forest, and there she is. Oh, need to look where I'm going. Sorry. And play Epic Land Before Time Discovery of the Great Valley music right about now.
We made it!
We're back! Yay! There she is. Beautiful glacier water, running all the way down, and the base of the falls. See if we can't get a little bit closer. And cameraman with his camera again. Cool.